Answer the phone. How are you looking alone? Why are you sitting at home alone? What kind of pills are you on? In this world, it's just us. And now it's not the same as it was. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He always been freaking me out. Can't make it straight now. Ringing the bell. Nobody's coming to help. Your dad is with himself. He just wants to know that you're well.